DXP Supply Chain Services, also known as SCS, specialize in maintaining your maintenance, repair, and operating products and procedures, keeping them stocked and running at optimal levels, allowing our customers to focus on their core competencies. Our specialized programs digitize the customer supply chain, therefore improving efficiency, increasing uptime, and reducing costs. DXP provides digital management systems through a proprietary, module-based Chase CMMS system called SmartCMMS. Easily maintain every part of the company by streamlining inventory, procurement, and transactional management. SmartCMMS provides a critical link between stores and maintenance in one comprehensive solution. It has systems for maintenance, work orders, equipment management, calibration and control, kitting and staging, and warranty or repair tracking. SmartCMMS's intuitive design with user training makes it easy to learn, gives on-demand customer access to reporting, and has a web-based platform. The BI dashboard provides indicators and metrics, KPIs, for all supply chain areas, ensuring high service levels and continuous improvement. From service levels to cost savings, value tracker, these tools will validate the DXP SCS value. Our mission at DXP is to help our clients become more efficient and competitive through ESG guidelines. Our supply chain services fulfill this mission. DXP Supply Chain Services provide operational excellence through customer-driven and specialized on-site maintenance, repair, and operating programs to improve efficiency, increase uptime, and reduce costs. Learn more about DXP's SmartCMMS at www.dxpe.com/supply chain services.